What's going on, YouTube? So we just touched down at MLife, as you can see in the back. People out here driving crazy and stuff, but I'm going to pick up the BMW M4. I got a little bit of work done to it, and then we're also going to check out my guy Rick's beautiful BMW M3. It's absolute beast, right? So if you guys want to see what the fastest BMW M3 in the world looks like, or one of the fastest ones, stay tuned. And yeah, I'm excited to see how everything turns out. I'll give you guys a quick little rundown of what they got over here. So they got this nice yellow, I'm assuming this is wrapped, F82 M4, looking real sick right here. S-Class, you know. I don't know what's going on with his bumper, but yeah, we got that. We got some heat probably inside too, I'm pretty sure. Nothing too crazy out here from what I'm seeing so far, especially compared to last time. E90 M3, because these guys last time had like a whole bunch of G80s out. We got some stuff though. Oh, I think that's the F90 M5 right there. But yeah, on the inside, which is where my car is, I think y'all be in for a nice little surprise. But see that big logo up there, the MLife sauce, you know. If you guys need any modifications done to your BMW, or upgrades or maintenance, check out MLife Autocare. I shipped my car out here twice this year, you know. Any work I want done on my car, I bring it to MLife. So that's saying a lot. Their prices are pretty solid. Quality of work is A1. Very knowledgeable guys. So if y'all need any modifications done, y'all want the MLife sauce, y'all want to pull how I'm pulling, drive how I drive, you gotta take your car to MLife. You know, I harass a lot of people with my M3 or M4, excuse me. It's been a while, guys. It's been 3 months. I harass a lot of people on my M4. You know, it's a heavy hitter. Like, the car be impressing me. So that's the MLife sauce, you know. Will motivation. He kind of experienced the sauce a little bit, you know, in his Tune 488. Man, my guy Courtney and his Tech Art got some smoke too. So, you know, we back in business. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. We're gonna talk about what we did. I might make that a whole separate video because of everything like I have done with the car and whatnot. But should be pretty sick though. Stay tuned, guys. What the heck? I wasn't ready for all that. You guys hear that? Sound like a goddamn spaceship pulled up. That don't even sound like a G80. Hold on. Let me quiet down a little bit. I can hear the idle. That shit sounds crazy. It smells like a race car. Alright, so we got my guy Rick over here over at MLife Autocare, and this is his machine. Tell us a little bit about what you got going on.
It's the MLife GT right here.
Uh-huh.
Car, you know? Got a big motor, cams and stuff like that.
Okay.
480 turbo.
Big turbo.
Big turbo, yeah.
Yeah, you can see.
Alright. Car went as fast as 850 already.
Uh-huh.
About 7 months ago. 850.
Damn, it's been 7 months. Uh-huh.
With a smaller turbo, 7.5. Yeah, so I made a few changes. And we're gonna go back out there and try and get it down.
What was it making on the old setup, power-wise? Not the new setup, the old one.
It probably made about 1150 back then.
Okay.
1150, 1200.
Mm-hmm.
About, yeah.
So now we got bigger turbo.
1300 range right now.
Okay. You about to be giving people some issues. Okay.
Yeah, they got a CSF manifold, a bunch of other goodies on there.
Yeah, this,
locks.
let's show them the side profile, you know? Because it looks crazy pulling up. I was telling them I ain't never see a G80 like sitting like this. Yeah. Me, I'm not the biggest fan of like B-locks in general, but with this car, it looks good, bro.
You need that too.
You need that, yeah. You can't go around the 20s and... This a race car though. So man,
It's called daily too.
yeah, and you drive it a lot.
Yeah, every day.
These might be the craziest seats I ever sat in though. These seats hug you.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is
That shit like A50, just like this right here.
crazy. This the A50 setup?
Yeah, just like that. This on the back seat, that's it.
No, if you want to bring your kids along, throw the back seats in.
Back seat, yeah, not right now. But
Machine, yeah.
get back in 5 seconds.
Got a coupe.
Four-door coupe.
4-door coupe. Man, yeah, the B-Lock store, crazy. And then he said he don't like the trunk. I think the trunk is sick. I think that trunk is sick.
I don't know. You gotta go.
He said it's a fake CSL. I'm like, man, it's a CSL on steroids. You know, so. All right, let's hear it. Cause I got a video you pulling up. I ain't never heard nothing sound like that. Golly. Hold on, let me see something real quick. Yellow DRS. Oh my God. It's opened up, I think. He don't even got an exhaust on it. This is insane. Wow. It smells like I was saying it smells like a race car. This is crazy. So what you think, man? A lot of people say the B58 is better than the S58. What you think about that?
Not to me, not my book.
Nah.
Yeah, it's a big heavy car. These other pounds.
For real.
Yeah, so
I think.
Getting there.
And the B58 is a lot older than this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They got more time on the platform ready to tune it up already. So
Exactly.
this right there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Crazy. So 5 years from now, Rick gonna be putting down 7s in this. I said in a couple years from now, you're gonna be doing 7s in this.
Yeah, a couple years now, maybe next year.
Oh, I'm talking low 7s.
Yeah. Oh,
Next.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next year, shoot. That A5 run he did with this, didn't your coolant explode or something like that?
Like especially issues though.
Yeah.
You gotta figure it out.
So it got a lot more potential. And A5 was already a world record, so this is one of the fastest, if not the fastest G80s on the planet. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, if you guys want your cars done right, come out to MLife. Rick right here, he knows his stuff. All right, guys, we're gonna go around the block real quick. He said it's on low boost. All right, 30 PSI. Am I ready for this?
Yeah, you should be.
We gonna see. We gonna see. All right. Definitely the fastest car I've been in. This sounds wild. Let's see. Yo, I was not ready. That's it. Oh my God. I felt that in my chest. That was
45 meters out 50.
It's a rocket ship. Oh my God, bro. I ain't never. This is wild, bro. I need a single turbo. Yo, that's insane. Wow.
Crazy, right?
Never in my life have I been like tripping like that about a car, bro. And the turbo sounds wild, bro. Golly. Nah, this is a machine, I ain't gonna lie. And you daily this.
Yeah, all day.
That's wild, bro. A lot of people with this type of power, their cars break down a lot, can't drive it. Yeah. So if y'all
exhaust back on, you don't sound like stock.
That's
Can't tell the
crazy.
difference.
It's just an open dump right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I pee. Yeah, this is insane, bro. I ain't never felt nothing like this before in my life. I've been in some stuff. This is like a whole different level. Damn.
Pays back in the seat, you can't even get up.
Yeah, this is insane, bro. I appreciate it. Yeah, this is crazy. Hey, y'all want it done right, y'all know where to come to. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never been nothing like this in my life. Bro, the way like the first pull he did, I was not ready, bro. I felt it in my chest. Man, it's a machine. So yeah, guys, one of the fastest, if not the fastest G80s in the world. We gonna say fastest, you know what I'm saying? We gonna pop our big one. This is the fastest one out. So stay tuned to what my guy Rick got going on at MLife Autocare. What's your Instagram?
MLife Autocare. Autocare.
So stay tuned for his runs with this car. He's coming for next. He got some secret sauce, some MLife sauce, unreleased. Yep. It's going down, guys. I was just talking to my guy Rick about his car, and I was telling him, man, you got some other heat as well. So tell the people what cars you got, what you got done to them, as well as
So I'm gonna start from generation then.
start. Yeah, from the very beginning.
I'm gonna talk about the first, like the oldest car I have. So I got the E30 M3.
Yep.
With the S before swapping it.
Okay.
Make about 333 to the wheels.
Quick.
E46 M3 vert.
Mhm.
That one looks really sick too. That's making just about 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah, E46. And then we got an E60 M5. Yeah, V10. Like 06.
Yep.
That look about 470.
Solid.
Then an M4 GTS.
Okay.
Yeah.
Normal turbos?
Huh?
You got normal turbos on that? Come on, yeah. Rick different. What that run?
We went 980 before.
Okay.
980 before.
Okay. You know, something calm. Nothing too crazy for him. Yeah.
What else? I don't know. Then I got
You got
this, and then 488.
the bad boy, the big boy. Yeah. I see.
I got 2 in downpipe work.
Okay. You can get the business in the 488. But when you
another GT2, a frozen blue GT2.
Oh yeah. I forgot about that. That one's a rear wheel drive, right? Yeah. I ain't playing around.
That might be for right now. A few of the ones behind, but
yeah. Okay. He ain't playing around. Yeah, if you do 9s in a F80 or F82, that's impressive because them cars don't hook, especially off like a dig. It's hard with the DCT.
Like a 1664.
That's crazy. Yeah. So Rick got some stuff, man. Damn, that looks sick. Alright, y'all see the beast right here. You know what I'm saying? Rick got some fire. Rick, what you got going on, like project-wise here? Got which ones? Single turbo? Single turbo. Damn, even this one?
That one too.
Yeah, let me stay out your way, bro. Rick got some heat. I think this one was here last time I was out here. When the car's transmission was messed up, I think this one was here. Yeah, Rick got some heat, man. If you want to go fast, you gotta come to MLife.
This one down already. This one maybe
Under 1,000?
This one 1,000.
That's crazy. Yeah, if y'all want to go fast, you know you gotta come to, man. You gotta come to Rick. Sheesh, look at that turbo. What turbo is this?
6870.
68, 70?
Yeah.
That's insane. Man, I want a single turbo F80. Yeah, or F82, bro. Yeah, it's different. That's too quick for me. That right there is nuts. It do all right. Okay, y'all see it. It's got some E in the tank, so you gotta give it a little start up. It's running on straight E, huh? Yeah, this car is fully on E right now, so yeah, you know, it's gonna take a little bit to start. It's cold out, or it's sand. But man, this car looks sick. Yeah, that looks sick. Hold on. What's that poking out there? You know? We got something cooking up. Rick just opened the hood for me. You see the front mounts in. Yeah, that's sick. Oh, that sounds insane. Oh my god. Oh my god. Insane. Alright, so in the next video, we're gonna go ahead and take this car out. First drive, getting the car back tuned. Stay tuned for that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I could look at this car the same after being in this. This is a machine, but yeah, it should be real interesting, guys. So stay tuned for that. Shout out to my guy Rick over at MLife Autocare. Much love to you guys. Y'all be easy, stay safe. Peace.